What's up, YouTube? What's up, Vic Nation? It's your boy King Victory, and this is Motovlog number 2. Ride with me today. We're gonna check out and see what this CVO ST looking like. Holla at your boy. Ride with me. Motovlog with me. Let's go. What's up, Vic Nation? YouTube, it's your boy King Victory. We out here today. Took a ride over here, man. Check out these CVO ST. And I wanted to check out the new body style, because everywhere I went, they didn't have them yet. And they had them, but the place was crowded, so I figured let me get over here. I'll take a look at it today. So today, got a chance to go over there and take a look at them. And I'm not gonna front. The CVO ST is beautiful. But guess who else got inverted forks? Your boy. I got the 107. I ain't blockbusting. I'm going to the city of Smithfield. Try not to blockbust too much down here, man. Make too much noise. But beautiful bike, man. All of them beautiful bikes. I didn't ask no prices. I did sit on one or two, but a little big. I'm a little big. The bikes aren't big. I'm a little big. But if you 6 feet, 6'2", 6'3", or better, you can actually get on that bike, and you'll feel the difference between this and the Victory. Both my Victories actually are pretty good. Got my dinosaur mask out here today. But I want you to take a look at the bikes and setup. I think they're about to open up a brand new store over here in Bulldog. And I mean, nice bikes, man. I'm not gonna front. I mean, look at this. See what I'm saying? And look, this one really caught my eye. Look at this color on this one. I really wanted to see if they had the black CVO with the Screaming Eagle on the side of it. I wanted to take a picture of that, but they had it in white, CVO ST. It's a nice bike, man. And you know I had to look for the used ones. See if they had anything out there for your boy, Negatory. And then out there for me, man. So I just left one of my buddies to check him out, see what's going on with him. He said he's gonna ride tonight. He didn't ride this morning. Because if you live in North Carolina, you might have wet, cold, hot, dry. You never know what you're gonna get. So Today was raining this morning, and now it's 75. So let's get out here a little bit, man. Told my wife I was going to the gas station. That was 2 hours ago. But I'm getting back to the house, man. Me and my wife are gonna go out to dinner tonight and get up early for church. So like my man would say, see you in church tomorrow. Peace. Peace, Big Nation. Good hanging out with me. It's a little short vlog for you. You know, let you know I'm still looking, but that ain't what's cooking. Sorry. As my wife would say, lo siento, señor. And no para mí. But I know which one is for me. Victories. And before I go, my guy that I bought Maggie from, this is what he posted on Facebook. Take a look at this. So he posted that on Facebook, and he wanted to buy another one. So he ended up trading this for this. So now he's got two bikes. He's got an Indian and he got a Victory. So some people that's never gonna swear away. I don't care what you do, what you say, what kind of rebate you got on them. It is what it is. So sometimes I think I need more than one vision. But got a good deal, man. I love the Vision. I love the Maggie. I think I'm never gonna get rid of both of these bikes. Never, ever, never. There's something about them, man. This won't quit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. I got something coming up. And y'all ride safe out there. I know there's a lot of people in Florida right now. I need y'all to ride safe. Keep your eyes open. Remember, we're trying to chill, not heal, Big Nation. We're trying to chill, not heal, YouTube. Peace. Till the next time.